Ever been curious about how to navigate the labyrinth of Kali Linux? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving headfirst into the heart of this powerhouse operating system, peeling back the layers to reveal its core functionalities and capabilities. Kali Linux, for the uninitiated, is a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It's an open-source platform, maintained and funded by Offensive Security, a leading information security training company. The first step in the Kali Linux journey is the installation process. This can be carried out in two ways, as a standalone OS or as a virtual machine on an existing operating system. The latter option allows users to run Kali Linux alongside their regular operating system, which can be incredibly useful for those who are just dipping their toes into the world of cybersecurity. Once Kali Linux is installed, the real exploration begins. The operating system boasts over 600 pre-installed penetration testing programs, from information-gathering tools like Nmap and Wireshark to vulnerability analysis tools like Nessus and Nexpose. Navigating through Kali Linux is accomplished via the command line interface, also known as the terminal. The terminal is the heart and soul of Kali Linux, the place where all the magic happens. From simple tasks like creating and editing files to complex operations like network scanning and password cracking, the terminal is the key to unlocking Kali Linux's full potential. One of the first commands you'll want to familiarize yourself with is the lse command. This command lists all the files and directories in your current location. Similarly, the cd command allows you to change directories, while the pwd command displays your current location within the system. Another crucial aspect of Kali Linux is its package management. Kali uses the Advanced Package Tool, or APT, for software management. This allows users to easily install, update, and remove software packages. Commonly used APT commands include apt-get update to update the list of available packages, apt-get upgrade to upgrade the existing software, and apt-get install followed by the package name to install new software. Finally, it's important to remember that Kali Linux, while a powerful tool, is not without its risks. It's a tool designed for professionals, and as such, it should be used with caution and respect. Always adhere to ethical hacking guidelines, and never engage in activities that could harm others or infringe upon their privacy. To summarize, today we've covered the basics of Kali Linux, from installation to command line navigation, package management, and ethical usage. We've scratched the surface of this rich and complex operating system, highlighting its key features and functionalities. Remember, mastering Kali Linux is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, practice, and a healthy dose of curiosity. So don't be afraid to dive in, explore, and make the most of this incredibly versatile tool. Happy navigating!